Dear students, now let us solve exercise 1.2 of arithmetic progressions lesson, and we are going to solve third main now. Look at this question. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Here we have 5 problems. I will solve some problems, remaining you can solve by yourself. I will take first one. The first AP is 2 comma, here there is a blank and 26. Look at this, here 2 is the first term, that is first term is represented by A, that is first term is 2. Second term is not given, that we have to find, and third term is given, third term is 26. We have the formula for nth term of AP, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, third term is a plus 2d. So, a3 is equal to a plus 2d, that is equal to 26. a3 is equal to a plus 2d is equal to 26. We have a value of a, that is 2 plus 2d is equal to 26. Now, we got the equation and we have to find the value of d here. Now, 2d is equal to 26 minus 2, that is 2d is equal to 24, that implies d is equal to 24 by 2, that is 12. So, we got the value of d, we got the value of d, that is 12, and we have value of a, that is 2. So, we can find second term now, that is a2. a2 is equal to a plus 1d or a plus d. Second term of a2 is equal to a plus d, that is a is 2, d is 12. So, 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. So, we got second term is equal to 14. So, we can write here in the blank, we can write 14. So, like this we have to solve the remaining problems. I will solve one more. I will take second one. Here first term is not given, second term is given 13, third term is not given, there is a blank, and fourth term is 3. Now, first write what is given, that is second term is represented by a2, that is 13, and third term is not given, fourth term is given, that is a4 is equal to 3. First write what is given, a2 is equal to 13, a4 is equal to 3. a2 is equal to a plus 1d, that is a plus d is equal to 13, a4 is equal to a plus 3d, that is equal to 3. Now, we got two equations, a plus d is equal to 13, that is the first equation, and second equation we got a plus 3d is equal to 3. Now, here we have to find the value of a and d. There are different methods to solve a pair of linear equations. Here we have two linear equations. You can solve this by elimination method or substitution method. I will solve this by elimination method now. To solve by elimination method, write one equation below the other. A plus d is equal to 13, a plus 3d is equal to 3. Now, in elimination method, we have to cancel one variable. Here in the first equation also we have a, second equation also we have a. So, change the sign of the second equation, change the sign of all the terms of second equation. So, a gets cancelled, plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2d is equal to 13 minus 3, that is 10. So, d is equal to 10 divided by minus 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So, d is equal to minus 5. We got the value of d. Now, we want value of a. Take one equation, that is a plus d is equal to 13 we have. So, a plus d is minus 5 is equal to 13. So, a minus plus into minus minus 5 is equal to 13. So, a is equal to 13 plus 5, that is a is equal to 18. Now, we got the value of a, that is 18, and value of d, that is minus 5. So, we can fill the blanks now. So, first term is 18, then 13. We want third term. Third term a3 is equal to a plus 2d, that is the formula for third term, a plus 2d. A is 18 plus 2 into minus 5. So, 18 plus into minus is minus 2 5s are 10. So, 18 minus 10 is 8. So, third term is 8. Now, we filled out the blanks. First term is 18, third term is 8, and second term is 13, and fourth term is 3. So, like this you have to solve the remaining problems. The remaining problems, third one and fourth one and fifth one, you can solve by the same method as we have solved second one. So, I will leave third, fourth and fifth one for you to solve.